you have that much less time. There's a zero sum game. So you have that much less time in which to pursue your spiritual needs. Imbalance हो जाता है गाड़ी. So what about self-realization as a need? Now that has been India's contribution to Maslow's hierarchy of needs. Self-actualization के ऊपर भी एक need है. जो लोग self-actualization तक पहुंचे in the Western cultures realize कि जिंदगी अभी भी खाली, there is something missing. They started coming to India. Why do so many foreigners come here? Many of them come for self-realization. This is the gift of our soul. The best things in life are free. You think of the 5 moments in your life when you were in utter ecstasy. None of those 5 things in your life probably would you have paid for. They were probably free. And they set you free. It took you beyond your physical body. It took your mind somewhere else on a beautiful journey. And just listen to this song. Share with you a little thing. I must must thank Krishna for downloading this song for me. Beautiful song. See, what happens in our normal lives is that we are like a pendulum. Khushi, gum. Now, the more the amplitude, the more it swings on the other side also, please remember. So what we need to do is calm this down. क्योंकि जितना सुख होगा उतना ही दुख होगा. With an equal amount of violence, the things will go out of control. So we don't want, what we are looking for when we say about, when we talk about equanimity, is not that this doesn't swing at all, but it swings within a limit that we decide. When children laugh too much and they're having too much mischief, we tell them, "Aatu na hasish tu radish." It's the same thing. Yahi ho raha hai. And it is also Raga and Dvesh. I had gone for a meditation course, which I strongly recommend, which is on Vipassana, which is under Guru Govinda, and I would say the late Guru Govinda. But I found, अच्छा, वहाँ गए हैं attachment छोड़ने के लिए, right? And to be with yourself. I found that in the dining hall, there was one table which was beside the window, and there were two chairs in front of it. The chair to the left had a better view than the chair to the right. Now, because you are quiet, you see your thoughts in a much better way. So पहले दिन मैं उधर बैठ गया, and I had, I kept looking out of the window. Igatpuri, beautiful center. तो बाहर सब अच्छे से दिख रहा था. The second day there was somebody else sitting there. And I found myself hating that guy. कि ये क्यों है बैठा उधर? And I waited कि जब ये उठेगा तभी मैं खाना लेके उधर बैठ जाऊंगा. अच्छा, जब तक मैंने खाना लिया और कोई आके बैठ गया. And I hated that guy with equal intensity. Then I said, what am I doing? मैं क्यों यहाँ आया हूँ? This cycle of rag and dvesh, attach, positive attachment, negative attachment, is what we need to come up. If I want to be equanimous, nothing and no one is permanent. दुख भी चला जाता है, सुख भी चला जाता है. An experience from my own life. I'm fortunate that I have some really great hotel chains as my clients. The Taj, the Leela, and the Oberoi. All of them I have been working for since 1987. Long association. One time I was to do a training program for the Oberoi Delhi, and when I reached the reception counter, they said to me, "Sir, आपके लिए room नहीं है." I was to conduct a program on the next day. ऐसे ठीक है, आप जनरल मैनेजर को समझाना कि मिस्टर गांधी के लिए हमको रहने को जगह नहीं थी, तो he's gone back. He said, no sir, I'm not saying that. I don't have a room, so I am upgrading you to a suite. I said, oh, thank you. And I said, may you never have room for me. And then he says, I must tell you that this suite has been vacant for the last 10 days. Because 20 years ago, that suite still costed 2.5 lakhs per night. And he says, the last occupant was Margaret Thatcher. I said, wow. I said to myself, Parimal Gandhi, you are right. Margaret Thatcher wale suite mein tum rehte ho. Great. Okay. Did a 3-day program. I was in the suite all the 3 days. Then flew back to Baroda. The next day, my family and I were going to Savai Madhopur. So we caught the August Kranti Express in the middle of the night. And we found that my office had messed up the reservations and the seats were not confirmed. और एक भी सीट थी नहीं. The whole train was chock-a-block. So we paid a huge fine and we had to be outside the toilet in that vestibule. Now what I loved about this experience is that my wife and son were sitting there miserable. I laid out a newspaper on the floor and slept like a baby there to wake me up. And that very morning, I had been in that Thatcher seat. I was so delighted. Today I can't do it. I have lost that capability. I'm sorry to say. But अगर मैं ये कर सकता हूँ, तो I have a right. Getting Margaret Thatcher suite is no big deal. But if in the next moment you are in the depths and you are managing that as well, I think that is wonderful. जन्म जन्म का मेल है सपना, ये सपना दिखलाए. You know, even if someone makes you feel कि इनके साथ मुझे 7 जन्म निकालने हैं या कितने जन्म निकालने, that's good enough. कोई ना संग मरे. And therefore all this that we see is going on. We are all like oceans. और उसके ऊपर there are these waves, you know, these mountains and waves, and you know, sometimes there is a tsunami. But ultimately it's all in the surface. और ये सब waves देखने में हम ocean को भूल जाते हैं. If we are actually oceans, क्या फर्क पड़ता है ये ocean को? एक दो wave आए गए, does it make any difference? Nothing. Ocean doesn't care. So why do we hanker after these chota-mota things that happen in our lives? Get agitated about them. You know, I can't claim any credit कि मैंने कुछ किया to manage these things that I have managed in my life. Quite frankly, कुछ मैं जन्मा हूँ टेफ्लॉन कोट. Because anything that happens, I simply say, अब करना क्या है? How do I get out of this? You know, this was mentioned that I have taken treatments alone. I routinely go into hospitals. First of all, nobody believes that I am a patient. So मैं hospital पहुंच जाता हूँ कभी-कभी अकेले. You know, last time I had a problem with the heart. I ended up in the intensive care at Elamic Hospital. I called an Ola cab. बैठ गया, ले गया वो. I end up in intensive care. Those people say, क्या चाहिए patient? Which patient? So then this person says, તો રિલેટિવ ક્યાં છે? I said તમે મારા રિલેટિવ છો. આવશે પછી આવવાના હશે. I can't claim that, you know, I wish I had a technique to give you or something to give you कि ऐसे manage करो. But one thing I can certainly tell you, if you start thinking about how do I come out of this problem, if you start thinking about actions rather than ये मेरे को क्यों हुआ, भाई हो गया है, अब मेरे को ये हो गया चीज तो मैं क्या करूं? वो पूछने का कुछ, there is no point in asking that question ना. It's an unproductive line of thinking. The productive line of thinking is who's the best doctor? Who do I go to? Who can bring me out of this? Go to that person and say, भाई कुछ करो इसका. Sorry. Enjoy. A lot of people mistake sthita pragnata and equanimity. It doesn't mean that you become devoid of feelings. It doesn't mean that you don't enjoy life. By all means enjoy life, but don't get attached to it. फिर हर टाइम वो ही चाहिए, वैसा ही चाहिए. You want only that person, you want only that subordinate, you want only that boss. वो नहीं होगा. See, nobody sent you with a written guarantee that, my friend, you are going to be happy in life. किसने guarantee देके भेजा? किसने guarantee देके भेजा कि यही these are the people you love and these will be the only people around you? The answer is no. और ऐसी जिंदगी में मजा क्या है? Without darkness, you are not going to enjoy the day. You need the darkness to go to sleep. Bitter taste is also one of the tastes in life. Many of us try to avoid it. I avoid Karela.